The Odisha Civil Service exam? It's a beast. It's one of the toughest exams out there. And it demands a lot from you. This exam is notorious for its rigor, its complexity, and let's be honest, the sheer volume of information it asks you to master. From history to current affairs and everything in between, it covers a vast array of topics. But here's the good news, it's not impossible. With the right approach, dedication, and a solid plan, you can definitely crack it. Thousands have conquered this mountain of a challenge, and so can you. They started just like you, with a dream and a determination to succeed. This video is your comprehensive guide, your Sherpa, your best friend in navigating the ins and outs of the Odisha Civil Service exam. We'll be with you every step of the way. We'll break down the structure, the syllabus, the strategies, and everything in between to equip you with the tools you need to succeed. From study tips to time management, we've got you covered. All right, first things first, we need to understand what we're dealing with. The Odisha Civil Service exam is a rigorous and comprehensive process that requires thorough preparation and a strategic approach. The Odisha Civil Service exam is a three-stage process: preliminary, mains, and the interview. Each stage is designed to test different aspects of your knowledge, skills, and personality. Think of it like a video game, each stage more challenging than the last. You need to level up your preparation and strategy as you progress. The preliminary exam is your first hurdle, a multiple-choice battleground testing your knowledge in general studies and an optional subject of your choice. It's crucial to have a strong foundation in these areas to move forward. Conquer this, and you've unlocked the door to the mains. This is where the real challenge begins, and your preparation needs to be more intensive and focused. Now, the mains, this is where the real test of intellect and endurance begins. It's not just about what you know, but how well you can articulate and analyze complex issues. 9 papers, all descriptive, demanding in-depth understanding and analytical skills. Each paper requires a different approach and a deep dive into the subject matter. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You need to pace yourself and maintain your stamina throughout the preparation and the exam itself. Finally, the interview. You've fought your way to the top, and now it's time to face the final boss. The interview is not just about your knowledge, but also about your personality and how you present yourself. This stage assesses your personality, your communication skills, and how well you handle pressure. It's important to be confident and articulate and to show that you can think on your feet. Knowing the syllabus inside out is crucial. You need to be familiar with every topic and subtopic and understand how they interrelate. We'll delve into that more in the coming chapters, but for now just know that this exam demands a holistic understanding of a wide range of subjects. Your preparation should be thorough and well-rounded, covering all aspects of the syllabus. A well-structured study plan is like having a superpower. It gives you the ability to navigate through your studies with confidence and clarity. It's the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling in control. A good plan can transform chaos into order. Start by setting realistic daily and weekly goals. Break down your syllabus into manageable chunks. Don't try to conquer the entire syllabus in a day. Instead, pace yourself and focus on one topic at a time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful civil service exam strategy. Consistency is key. Regular, steady progress will get you there. Dedicate specific hours to studying, just like you would for any important appointment. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Treat it like a job because, well, it kind of is. Regular revision is non-negotiable. Revisit your notes frequently to reinforce your learning. Don't just read and forget. Engage with the material actively. Revisit your notes, practice mock tests, and keep that knowledge fresh in your mind. Mock tests are a great way to gauge your understanding and readiness, and most importantly, be flexible. Adapt your plan as needed. Life happens, things come up. It's important to stay adaptable and not get discouraged by interruptions. It's okay to adjust your plan, but never lose sight of your goals. Keep your end objective in mind and stay committed to your path. Now that you have a plan, let's talk resources. You wouldn't go into battle without the right weapons, would you? Standard textbooks are your best friends. They provide the foundation you need to build upon. Previous year question papers are like cheat codes. They give you insights into the exam pattern, the types of questions asked and the areas to focus on. But knowledge is a living, breathing thing, constantly evolving. Stay updated with current affairs through newspapers, magazines, and reliable online sources. General Studies, the backbone of the Odisha Civil Service exam, covers a vast expanse of knowledge: history, geography, polity, economics, science and technology, environment. It's a lot. Prioritize your studies. Focus on the subjects carrying more weight and those you find particularly challenging. Choosing the right optional subject can make or break your preparation. Opt for a subject you genuinely enjoy and one that aligns with your strengths. Remember, it's not about memorizing everything under the sun. It's about understanding the concepts, connecting the dots, and developing analytical thinking. The mains exam tests your ability to articulate your thoughts clearly and concisely. And there's no shortcut to that but practice. Regular answer writing is crucial. It helps you structure your thoughts, improve your writing speed, and develop a coherent flow. Don't shy away from essays. They allow you to showcase your analytical and critical thinking abilities. Get feedback on your writing from mentors, teachers, or peers. Constructive criticism is invaluable for improvement. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect, it makes progress. So keep writing, keep refining, and watch your skills soar. Mock tests are your secret weapon. They simulate the actual exam environment, helping you manage stress and improve time management. Treat every mock test like the real deal. This will help you get accustomed to the pressure and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Analyze your performance in each mock test. Identify areas where you excel and areas that need more attention. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Mock tests are meant to help you learn and grow. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and prepared you'll feel on exam day. Chapter 7. Acing the interview. Confidence is key. Congratulations, you've made it to the interview. Now it's time to shine. Brush up on your current affairs. The interview panel may ask you about recent events and your opinions on them. Work on your personality development. Be confident, articulate, and honest in your responses. Participate in mock interviews. This will help you refine your communication skills and get comfortable answering questions under pressure. Remember, the interview is not just about your knowledge, it's about demonstrating your personality, your passion, and your suitability for a career in civil service. Chapter 8. Mind and Body. Prioritizing health and well-being. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. And just like any athlete, you need to take care of your physical and mental health. Maintain a balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutritious food to keep your energy levels up. Regular exercise is not just good for your body, but also for your mind. It helps reduce stress and improve focus. Take breaks. Don't burn yourself out. Step away from your studies, recharge, and come back refreshed. Remember, a healthy mind and body are crucial for optimal performance. Chapter 9. The power of belief. Staying motivated. There will be days when you question yourself, when the enormity of the task ahead feels overwhelming. It's okay to feel that way. Surround yourself with a positive support system. Talk to friends, family, or mentors who believe in you. Read inspirational stories of people who have overcome challenges and achieved their dreams. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Hold on to that vision and let it fuel your determination. Believe in yourself. You have what it takes to succeed. Chapter 10. Unlocking knowledge, utilizing online resources. We live in an age of information, and there's a wealth of resources available online to aid your preparation. Online platforms offer mock tests, study materials, and guidance from experts. Utilize them to your advantage. Video lectures can be a great way to understand complex topics. Educational websites provide articles, quizzes, and other resources to supplement your learning. Remember to verify the credibility of online sources before relying on them. Your journey starts now. So there you have it, a crash course on conquering the Odisha Civil Service exam. It's a challenging journey, no doubt, but one that's incredibly rewarding. Remember, success in this exam is not just about hard work, it's about smart work, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in yourself. Consistency and perseverance are key to success in the Odisha Civil Service examination. Stick to your plan, adapt when necessary, and keep pushing forward. Good luck!